Good afternoon. In this video, we're going to learn how to use the electronic grade change form. Before you begin, collect the following information. You want to know the student's name, the student ID number, your course number and section, and then the current semester that the grade is attached to. In addition, you're going to want to know the grade that they have now and then the grade that they're going to change it to. And if you're also going to be asked to enter the reason for the grade change. Having all this information written down before you navigate to the form is going to make the process a lot easier. The form is going to be located within Owl's Nest. So what you'll need to do is to log in to Owl's Nest, and then when the files are going to be organized by your academic division. So there are multiple grade change forms. There's going to be one for humanities, SSBH, STEM, nursing, and so forth. So if you're teaching an English course and you're going to be under the humanities division, you're going to need to use the humanities grade change form. Once you've logged into Owl's Nest, you have to go down and click on the Quick Links tab. Once in there, you're going to have to go locate the forms library. Once in the forms library, you're going to scroll all the way down to the folder called VPAA, and then click on that folder. And then the grade change forms are going to be the first folder in the VPAA folder. So once I'm in here, I'm going to go click on the Owl's Nest tile. This is going to go through the process. And now I'm in Owl's Nest. Over here, you're going to see the Quick Links tab. Click on that to take you to all the other forms and so forth. Right down here is the forms library. You're going to want to click on this tab. Once you're in the forms library, you're going to scroll all the way down to the VPAA folder. Now that I'm in the VPAA folder, the grade change forms are going to be right up top here. Click on that and you'll see all the different grade change forms. Now, they're organized by division. So if you're in the humanities, you click the humanities grade change form. If you're in allied sciences, you can click on that, so forth. If you're in teaching for Barnabas or SSBH or STEM, you're going to click on those grade change forms. Basically, each of those grade change forms, once you submit them, they're going to get sent to the division dean or the associate dean. While completing the form, please make sure that you fill out all the fields completely and accurately. Make sure the student's name is spelled right and you have the correct student ID. Make sure that you have the correct section for your course. And in addition, also please make sure you have the correct semester and year. You will have a chance to review this information in a PDF form and sign it after you submit this form. After you submit the file and you get your email verification, you have a link to a PDF file. Carefully check all the information. Again, make sure your course section's correct, the student's name and ID number is correct. Make sure the grades are correct, what grade you're going to change it to. And then at the bottom of the page, it's going to ask you for your digital signature. Once you fill out your digital signature and submit it, it will get sent off to the appropriate dean or assistant dean for approval. So this concludes the video. If you do have any questions or need any further assistance, just please reach out to the assistant dean of your division. Thank you very much and have a great day.